Ngithi nginibingelele nonke lapho kwaNongoma. Umangethe lokhulumayo. Nginesicelo mani, ngicela ukuthi nizeni in numbers man uThobani Mncwango wenza i-tournament, so isicelo ukuthi nizeni in numbers nizosupporta man. Wenza into enhle kakhulu. So into edingekalayo nje i-support nje from kini. Ngiyabonga.
Sanibona mphakathi kwaNongoma. Igama lami ngumfana futhi Prince Nxumalo, i-striker seSikhukhune United. Ngithi cela niphumeni nonke ngobuningi benu niyosupport nayo i-tournament kaThobani Mncwango edlala Saturday. So jabula kakhulu ukuba nani sonke sobe silapho. Siyabonga, sibonga kakhulu.
Hi, my name is Matlaba. I would like to greet and encourage the community of KZN, kwaNongoma, to come and support the first annual tournament, yakhe Thobani Mncwango. Even the surrounding areas must come in numbers and support the boys doing great things. And the aim of the tournament is to keep teenagers away from crime, alcohol, and drugs abuse, which is doing great things. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Semi here. I would like to invite everyone at KZN, kwaNongoma, to come and support our guy, Thobani Mncwango, on his first annual football tournament that will be held at kwaNongoma. So please come in numbers and support our guy and see the raw talent that will be there. So we shall see you there. Cheers, sweet.
Yebo sanibona, Matlaba Ndumiso Mabhena, striker se-Royal Football Club. Ngicela nize nizosupporta uThobani Mncwango. Uzaba hosta his first annual football tournament. Uzabe ebambele kona kwaNongoma eKZN. Ngicela ukuze nize nizomsupporta from nge-9 zakaJuly, nimsupporta up until kuze kufike emaphetheleni. Siyabonga. Please come in numbers community yakwaNongoma ne KZN as a whole. Siyabonga.